Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can set Fibonacci levels on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open the chart on TradingView, then go to this icon, the third one. We have one, two, three. Choose this one or click on the arrow here and choose Fib Retracement. Now go to the place you want. So let's say this one. And this is the Fibonacci level, as you can see here. So now let's make some changes. So let's say you want to remove this one, and we'll keep the 0.5, 0.6, and 0.7. Okay, so now just click on it in any place and click on the gear icon. After that, go and uncheck the levels you want to remove. So let's say this one, as you can see, and this one, those are below, as you can see it. These ones, okay, remove also these ones. So click on the gear icon again, and let's remove this one and this one, as you can see. Also we'll remove this one also. Now the Fibonacci is clean. So let's say you want to change these to percentage. So this 0.5, change it to 50% because this is a 50% level. So just scroll down and you will see here levels, values. Click on it and change it to percent. And as you can see, it changed it to 50%, 61%, and 78%. So let's say you want to make this 62%. Just go and edit it here. As you can see, it's now become 62%. If you want to change the colors, you can change the color from here. I think this is obvious. Also, if you want to change the place of these values from here to here, so let's say from the right to the left, just scroll down until you see labels. And as you can see, it's on the right. Click on it and change it to the left, as you can see. Or you can make it in the center if you want, like this. Okay? So let's say you want to see the price. So this price, I want to see it here, besides the Fibonacci level. So just go to this one. As you can see, this is the Fib settings, and click on prices. And as you can see, the 50% is 1.07499. Okay? And if you want to remove this background, just click on background and check this one, and it's removed, as you can see. And that's it. After that, just click on OK. Make sure you click on OK. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.